Are you also looking forward to wireless charging one day? In fact, you can do it now. You only need a protective case. Yes, that's right, a protective case can make your iPad wirelessly chat. Just started this recently, fans can open the iPad protective case to realize the magnetic charging function. As long as you look at it like this, you will be automatically charged. But the method used is that the back is very delicate and smooth. Friends who use Apple Pencil don't have to worry. In fact, he scans the grass after class and also supports the automatic absorption and charging function of Apple Pencil. He can also use the protective cover of this pickup when going out. The appearance is made of leather, and the official color is black and white. Optional. This is a black protective case. Not only can protect your iPad from scratches, but also can be used as a stand, which is also the special feature of this protective case because it cannot be folded, whether it is HAN confirmed, or it can provide good support when you use it. Of course, if you also wear the Apple Pencil to go out, it also supports the thin leather buckle design, and the chair can be folded outward when not in use. It can be said that the entire design of this protective cover, I am still very careful. After the sale, I am more satisfied with both the practicality and the texture of the leather. The above is the branch of the iPad accessories series for other cards this time. What do you think of this design? Leave a message in the comment area to communicate. Goodbye time.